Hello everyone, welcome back to the No channel hosted by Tanzile Dlamini. If it's your first time here, please subscribe so you don't miss out on anything that will be shared here. You're going to need wool and you have to cut it into 4 strips. After moisturizing the hair and the scalp, you go ahead and open the line. I prefer to use this type of comb because the back of it helped me to open the line very well. I was able to even part the tiniest hair and made the line very clear. However, this type of comb is not advised to be used in 4C hair. However, the wide tooth comb is advised. So you go ahead and part a tiny square, then take the 4 strips that you cut earlier and go around the hair. If you want the braid to be thicker, you can make the strips to be 6 or even 8 or even more depending on how much you want it to be thicker. Then you go around the hair just like that and you make a tie at the end just like that. Then you part another tiny square, then you split the hair into half, then take the braided hair in between, then mix the braided hair together with the unbraided hair. Then you take the wool and you go around the braided hair, the unbraided hair, just like that. Make sure the wool is closer together so that not even a tiny bit of hair shows. Then you go around just like that. And when you reach the end, you make a knot again. Then you go ahead and you part another tiny square. You split it into half, then put the braided hair, mix it with the unbraided hair. Then go around the hair just like that. And if your wool runs out in between, you can simply take another one and join and continue going around the hair and make a tie at the end. You continue doing the same thing until you reach the back. This hairstyle is called Sipata in Siswati. Please comment down below to tell us what you call it in your language. This hairstyle is popular among young children that go to kindergarten or the early grades, but nowadays it's even popular among adults. They use it as a protective hairstyle and sometimes they just do it all the way up, then put some mali hair and make it very stylish. It can be even used under wigs as a protective hairstyle or just in winter under your beanie or just anyhow you want to rock it. Now I'm going to show another line in case you didn't see clearly from the first one. You take the 4 strips, then one portion of the 4 strips, you measure it to be the length of the hair. Then you start going around the wool and the hair together like so until you reach the end. Then when you reach the end, you make a tie like that. You take the wool, make it under the strip, then bring it out again, then put it in between, then pull it just like that and make a knot. The knot should be on the hair together with the wool that you made to be equivalent with the hair. I hope that was clear. Then again you proceed and make another tiny square. Take the braided hair, put it in between, Then take up the excess braid, mix it with the hair. You can twist it a bit if you want, so you can be able to hold it together, because you have to hold together the braided hair together with the hair. Then you take the wool, take it all the way down, so you can be able to start going over the hair from down. Then you start going around the hair. Now you are going around the hair together with the braided hair and some wool. Then you go around like that and you make a tie at the end. You go ahead and part another tiny square which is equal to the previous squares you part before. Take the braided hair, put in between, mix with the hair, then take the wool, go around the braided hair and the unbraided hair. Then go around the hair like that. Make sure the wool is closer together so there's no hair that is left in between that doesn't have any wool. The tie should be made like towards the end. You tie the hair together with the wool. Then again, you part another tiny square. Mix the braided hair and the unbraided hair. Then you go around both of them with the wool like that. Then you make a tie at the end like that. Part another tiny square. Take the braided wool, put in between. Take the excess braided hair, mix together with the hair. Then take down some of the wool so it can be down. You can start going over the hair from the bottom. Then go over the hair just like that. One more time. You part the hair into a tiny square, then separate it into two. Take the braided hair you put in between the unbraided hair, then mix it together. Then take the wool all the way down so you can start going over the hair from the bottom. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and please comment below what you call this hairstyle in your language.